Welcome back to a new mixed media video tutorial. Today I'm sharing my third index card of the Index Card a Day challenge. You will find all the information and supplies I'm using in the description box below. Again, I'm using the brand new stamps from Rubber Dance, and you will find a free shipping code also in the description box. Instead of creating separate index cards, I'm using paper that has double the size of an index card and fold it in half. After I have finished all my index cards, I can easily bind a back-to-back art journal. I'm using distress oxides and also distress inks to color the background. I'm using liquid white watercolor to add some splatters. I'm using a watercolor pencil to add some shadows to the butterflies. Finally, I add a Tim Holtz sticker. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!